So now we have physics rolling motion problem, part B. So we want to determine the friction force for part B. So from F equals 3/4 ma and A equals 4/7 g sine theta, then F equals 3/4 m times the quantity 4/7 g sine theta. So F is going to be equal to 3/7 mg sine theta. And then from here, then the friction force acts up the incline. F equals negative 3/7 mg sine theta s hat. If s hat points down the incline, that is if s hat points down the incline. So static friction points uphill because it must produce the torque required to increase the cylinder's angular speed. And for rolling without slipping to be possible, the available static friction must satisfy the following. So F has to be less than or equal to mu sub s times n, where n equals mg cosine theta. So 3/7 mg sine theta is less than or equal to mu sub s mg cosine theta, which gives the initial condition mu sub s is greater than or equal to, greater than or equal to 3/7 tangent theta. Okay, so that is part B. Thank you very much and have a great day.